And check out this battery powered ceiling fan light I have here. And I just pulled everything out of the box. Here's everything that came with it. It's got the main unit itself. You can loosen this up here, loosen this side up here, and move that and tighten it into place. It's got the blades. It's got a hook that goes on there, charging cord, and some mounting fasteners, and of course the remote with some batteries. On the bottom here, just pop this up, and you got a Type-C and then USB right there too. This thing's made to either be portable or hard mounted, and so whatever you decide, so you can actually mount it up through this screw here. You can mount it using this bracket here, adjust it into place, and you can see you can go all kinds of different angles with it too. So if you wanted to, you could mount it like this, mount it like that, like that. The other use for this is a handheld light. You can just use it just like that for a light. Okay, now I'll go ahead and put the blades on here. They just pop right in there. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up before using it. That's what it looks like when it's charged. It is now done charging. That red light quit blinking. All right, to operate this thing manually after it's all charged up, it's that button right there. You just give that a hard press and you can toggle through all of the functions on there, and I'll show you here. Same thing with the remote. You got light on and off, turn the fan on and off, the different modes. I gotta say, I love the versatility of this thing. So I have a tripod right here. Go ahead and mount this thing right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and push this red button here for fan on. Oh, that is nice. That creates all kinds of wind right here. This is a great air mover. And you can go light on or off here too. There's the light. Here's some of the different speeds, different modes. That one. Very cool. Turn it off. You can put this nice hook through there too, so you can hang it from stuff. It's going to be great for hanging up inside the greenhouse here. And we can keep some light on in here too. Got another fan up there, it's solar. So when that solar runs out, I can use this battery operated fan and light. Tell you what, I'd like to have about 5 or 6 more of these things, because we can use it out here on the back porch, underneath some covered areas. I'd really like a whole bunch more of these things if we could. Really like this thing. Thank you for watching, everybody.